Welcome to the Explainer. Today, we are going to break down how to take that awesome project you're running at home and turn it into a polished, super secure fortress that you can get to from anywhere in the world.
So you've built something amazing on your home server, but getting to it looks, well, a little like this. A clunky IP address, a port number you can never remember. But what you really want is for it to feel like this: clean, professional, and most importantly, secure. Okay, so how do we get there? Let's dive in.
It's a super common problem, right? You've got this fantastic app, maybe something like Immich for your photos, but every single time you open it, even inside your own house, your browser screams at you with that not secure warning. It just feels wrong. It kind of undermines all your hard work.
So step one is tackling that name problem. We need to create a simple, elegant front door for all the applications running on your server, something that replaces those confusing numbers with easy, memorable names.
And the first tool we're going to grab for this job is something called a reverse proxy. Just think of it as a central hub, a single entry point for everything trying to get to your services. For this explainer, we're going to focus on a really user-friendly one called Nginx Proxy Manager. You know, the best way to think about it is like a doorman or a receptionist at a big office building. Instead of you needing to know every single room number for every app, you just walk up to the front desk, and the receptionist, our reverse proxy, knows exactly where to send you.
And here's how that actually works. When you type photos.home into your browser, that request doesn't go straight to your photo app. Nope. It goes to the doorman first, Nginx Proxy Manager. It sees the address, checks its little list, and says, photos.home, I know that one. That goes to the service running on port 2283. And then, boom, it connects you seamlessly.
Okay, so we've got the nice, clean name. That's a huge win. But we still have that big, glaring security issue. A pretty name isn't enough. We have to make sure the connection between you and your server is actually encrypted and trusted.
Right, that little green padlock we all look for? That means your connection is using HTTPS, which wraps everything in a layer of encryption. To get one, you need something called an SSL certificate from a trusted source. Now, this used to be a complicated, expensive nightmare, but today, it's almost totally automatic.
Get this, Nginx Proxy Manager can handle the whole thing for you. It reaches out to a free service like Let's Encrypt and says, hey, I need a certificate. To prove you're the real owner, it uses an API key from your domain provider, like Cloudflare, to create a temporary, unique digital fingerprint. Let's Encrypt sees that fingerprint, confirms you're legit, and just hands over the certificate. The whole process takes like 30 seconds. It's amazing. Now for a really important security step. We can actually go back to our photo app and tell it to only listen for connections from localhost, 127.0.0.1, which basically means this computer right here. What this does is slam the back door shut, making it impossible for anyone to bypass our secure front door and get in through the old, insecure port.
All right, so everything is running beautifully, as long as you're connected to your home Wi-Fi. The second you step outside and try to access photos.home from a coffee shop, nothing. It doesn't work. So let's tackle the next big challenge: secure remote access. Now, the old-school way to solve this was to open up ports on your router, which is basically like leaving a window wide open for the entire internet to peek into. Not great for security. A much, much better way is with a modern type of VPN. And the tool we're going to look at for this is called Tailscale. It's fantastic. Seriously, forget everything you think you know about corporate VPNs. Tailscale doesn't just send all your traffic to some server in another country. Instead, it creates this incredible, private, secure bubble around only your devices. It's like all your gadgets are plugged into the same secret, invisible network, no matter where they are on the planet. The difference is just night and day. Before Tailscale, when you're away from home, your phone is an outsider. It's locked out. But once you install Tailscale on your server and your phone, it creates this encrypted, direct connection between them. Suddenly, your phone is an insider. It's part of your private network, and it can talk to your server as if it were sitting right there on your desk at home.
So let's put all these pieces together. We've got our doorman, we've got our unbreakable lock, and now we have our secret tunnel. Let's trace the path of our request in our final secure setup.
So check this out. You're at that coffee shop. You type your secure address into your phone. That request instantly dives into the encrypted Tailscale tunnel and travels to your home server. It's greeted by our doorman Nginx Proxy Manager, which checks the HTTPS lock and then directs you to the right application. It's this beautiful layered security that makes your little home project feel like a world-class enterprise service.
And hey, if you want to take it one step further, you can even add a monitoring dashboard. There's a tool called Go Access that you can hook into your reverse proxy, and it basically acts like a security camera for your front door. It gives you this awesome real-time view of all the traffic, so you can see exactly who's connecting, whether it's your PC at home or your phone through that Tailscale tunnel.
So let's just step back and look at what we've actually built here. We combined a reverse proxy, automated SSL, and a modern VPN to create a system that's not only easy to use, but it's incredibly secure and super flexible. And the best part? We did all of this without exposing our home network to the open and, frankly, kind of scary internet.
And there you have it. This is really what it takes to level up a personal project into your very own secure, private cloud. The possibilities from here are pretty much endless. Thanks for joining us on The Explainer.